You give your best to nurture those you love, your care, your energy, your endless devotion. Shouldn't you be nurtured by the very best in return? From Australia's pristine landscapes comes a treasure as pure as your love, Regina's Premium Fresh Royal Jelly. Featuring 200 milligrams of organic Australian Type 1 Royal Jelly, containing 6% 10H2DA, 10-hydroxy-2-decenoic acid, and is thoughtfully combined with Acacia honey, Wheatgerm oil, yellow beeswax, and soybean oil. Packed with natural bioflavonoids and antioxidants, this nutrient-rich superfood is designed to support collagen production, strengthen immunity, boost energy, and support cellular health. Proudly manufactured in the UK, it's the only royal jelly supplement in the region that blends honey and wheatgerm oil. Sealed in UV protective amber files to maintain potency, each capsule is easy to swallow and ideal for daily wellness. Nourish your body naturally with Regina's Premium Fresh Royal Jelly.